Hello everybody, Bricktastic LEGO Ideas here, and today, finally, it's the day where I start my 23C. It's the beginning of October, and as I promised, I'll make a mark for every Series 23 minifigure. So, to start things off, I thought I would do the wolf minifigure first, because I think it was necessary to do him first, and yeah, wouldn't you agree? So, right now, let's get into the building of the house and start a mark off with using this minifigure right here, wolf costume. I fix him. Good. There we go. You will just put there. Okay, let's get building. So, I thought to start it off, I could do that. Add in the doorway, and then I could add and that. And then that. And now, I consider the wolf a lazy minifigure, so please. I consider the wolf a lazy minifigure, so this is why you might see a few things come in. Okay, there's the foundation of the house. Okay, now let's add some detail. So I thought we could add this piece right here to there for what you're gonna see me do in a few minutes. And I thought I could add a garbage right there, and a grill piece for, like, I don't know, it's just good. And then I thought I could put some bricks there just to add some detail. And now let's get into the funny part. Okay, I thought because the wolf's a lazy minifigure, we could add in a turkey right there, and we could also add in a juice box into the garbage can. And I thought we could also add a pineapple into the garbage can, just to show detail. And I also thought we could add in a flower without roots to there, along with a strawberry piece to there, and some sand, a sand piece we could add to there, and then a skate element we could add to there. So now I thought of this because the wolf is lazy, and for my plan in 23 city, he could be his house, because he's so late. Everyone knows he's so lazy, so everyone litters on his property and he's too lazy to clean it up. And okay, now let's work on the inside. So, for some detail, I thought I would make the raccoon's work desk, and I would add in an apple and place it right there, and then finally I thought he could have a concrete bed because he's too lazy to have a blanket. Buy a blanket and buy a bed, so he made a bed of concrete. And overall, let me show you a close-up. So, that is the inside of the house, and I thought it could have a roof that's flat because he's too lazy to buy a proper roof, and it could be an open back house, concrete bed, and now I will show you the outside once I've fixed it. And that is the outside of my mark. Oh yeah. And I forgot to add something. A squirrel that wants to eat all the garbage. And there we go. That is the wolf's mark completed. As you can see. And let's go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the thing. I'll show you where it is going to be located. So, here's my 23C layout. Sofa. And there's one road there. Nothing much there, but there will be sometime soon. So, now let's go ahead and place the wolf's mark in. So, I thought I could go here. And right by the street, so that's why he's got litter all over his property. And whenever I found the wolf, well, yeah, that's my wolf mark idea, and there it is. And just let me show you. This is what the inside looks like from the back, and the top looks like from here, and I think it looks so far so good from 23C. And the next video will come sometime this week.